Just now, the Shiba Inu's true creator been discovered. The Shib community is quite excited about the new live views of Shiba Inu's metaverse that were released during the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas. Following main developer Shidoshi Kazama's release of the official movie poster, as reported by Bitcoinist yesterday, comprehensive video views of the Wagmi Temple Hub were shown. We'll talk about the recently discovered real founder of the Shiba Inu in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu's price has increased by 4% in the last day as the cryptocurrency market bounces back from the sell-off over the weekend and gains from concerns about the banking sector. SHIB is still down at $0 and 1,099 cents after falling 1.5% over the last week and 15% over the past 30 days, even though the meme token has increased by 35% from the year's beginning. According to the most recent statistics from Whale Stats, SHIB is still one of the most traded ERC20 tokens on the market and has the largest holdings among major investors. Shiba Inu is still waiting for the Shibarium Layer 2 network to debut, so there are many grounds to believe that further rallies are on the horizon, particularly if the perceived financial crisis pushes investors into cryptocurrencies. SHIB's relative strength index jumped from 30 to little over 40, indicating that its current surge may continue for a few more days, according to its indications. The fact that SHIB's price has not yet climbed beyond its 30-day moving average lends credence to the assumption that this week's gain may extend, since the RSI has recovered from an oversold position. SHIB might surge much higher and target the $0 and 1,250 cents level it was trading at the start of November if it manages to break over the $0 and 15 cents resistance level. The U.S. financial crisis is driving people into the Bitcoin market, so there's a high probability it will hit this level before the month is over. In fact, this is the short-term catalyst for the current SHIB rise, as well as the general market rally that has driven up SHIB's price. Given the number of banks that have already failed and the sharp decrease in stock values of numerous others, it seems that some consumers are seeking for alternatives to banks for where to deposit their money. Although the Federal Reserve and other authorities have intervened to ease concerns, it's unclear when the crisis will settle, which may work to the benefit of SHIB and other cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, Shibarium's arrival, which debuted in beta over the weekend, is probably going to help SHIB as well. In the long term, having a Layer 2 network created just for Shiba Inu can only lead to more people using the latter's ecosystem, which has been growing to include dApps like SHIBASWAP over the last several years. Shibarium will facilitate the usage of Shiba Inus more quickly, cheaply, and easily, which will increase demand for SHIB. The fact that SHIB is already in high demand and is one of the most popular ERC20 tokens among whales makes all of this very exciting. As previously said, after ETH, USDC, and USDT, it continues to be the fourth most often owned ERC20 token among whales in terms of dollars. Today, among whales, SHIB is the 18th most acquired cryptocurrency, behind only a few stable currencies and few alts such Matic SNX. Shiba Inu anticipates the future introduction of SHIB, the metaverse, a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme that may debut by the end of the year, and that popularity will only grow over time. When it launches, users will be able to buy and explore 100,595 pieces of land on this platform, with SHIB reportedly being one of its native currencies. The introduction of Shiba Inu's own metaverse can only increase demand for SHIB in the future, just as Shibarium did. As a result, the coin's long-term outlook is excellent. Looking at things in a shorter and medium term, Changelly data points to an average year high projection of $0 and 154,485 cents, which is a very pleasant 40% increase over the current price. Naturally, some SHIB owners have far greater goals in mind, but for the majority of the Shiba Inu community, $0 and 1 cent is still a popular, if not totally achievable, goal. However, counselor to the Shiba Inu metaverse Marcy Jastro had something even more exciting in plan for the Shib army. Popular Shib community member Scorsha tweeted that the Shib metaverse crew met with Ted Schilowitz, the futurist and American film production business Paramount Pictures, to examine potential collaborations. Jastro verified this information. Kozama, the main developer of Shiba Inu, was even drawn to Scorch's post. The person from the Shib community shared a photo with Paramount's Schilowitz and presumably said nothing, which is a wry way of referring to possibly significant events in the cryptocurrency world. Kozama tweeted 4 emoticons with large eyes to indicate curiosity and enthusiasm, and maybe to indicate that he is listening. He also included a South Park GIF with Randy Marsh saying, "Maybe nothing, maybe everything," and 3 hashtags to the tweet: #ShipMetaverse, #Shibarium, and #Paramount. The principal developer of Shiba Inu's GIF has increased the rumor's visibility and legitimacy, as well as stoked further rumors about Paramount and the Shiba Inu metaverse crew working together. Jastro went on to say that the Shib the Metaverse at SXSD Festival was a big success in an interview with Zach Humphreys. In the last 2 days, I've spoken with more businesses than ever before about their want to be a part of our metaverse. We were speaking with the head of futuristics at Paramount Pictures, and I said, we need to do a licensing deal, according to Schilowitz, who spoke with Paramount. Next up for me is Rocket Pond. After that are other films. You should dive right in there. They're all in too. That's a very good concept, they are. Ted Schilowitz is Paramount Pictures' first ever futurist in residence. In this capacity, Schilowitz collaborates closely with the technology departments of Viacom and Paramount to investigate all novel and developing technologies, with particular emphasis on augmented and virtual reality. He does this by collaborating with outside partners to find fresh possibilities. In addition, he counsels Paramount Pictures executives and creatives on how to integrate emerging technology into their works. Whales in the cryptocurrency market sold out more than $10 trillion worth of SHIBs. Shiba Inu whale balances have decreased from 670.9 trillion to 660.9 trillion SHIB since Friday, according to blockchain statistics. This reduction occurred the day before the cryptocurrency project launched the early beta phase of the Shibarium network. Shiba Inu whale addresses have dropped by 6.25% in recent days, according to data from blockchain analytics company Into the Block that was initially revealed on the daily hodl. SHIB has increased by about 7% in the past day, despite the whale divestment, part of a broader revival in the cryptocurrency market. The limited speed and high transaction costs of Ethereum, the SHIB token's host chain, are issues that Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain, aims to solve. As to the Shibarium developers, Bone's Shiba Swap is the native token that is chosen to compensate validators and delegators in the Shibarium protocol and to pay for gas transactions. Fortunately for SHIB holders, each transaction on Shibarium burns SHIB, increasing SHIB's scarcity. The number of Ethereum addresses holding onto SHIB surpassed 1.3 million, as reported by CryptoGlobe prior to Shibarium's launch. Additionally, the median amount of time users on Coinbase hold onto the meme-inspired cryptocurrency before selling it or transferring it to an external address has exceeded 230 days. Because there are fewer Shiba Inus controlled by new whales, the coin is more decentralized and less vulnerable to their decisions. Additionally, as additional traders may result in higher trading volume, it boosts SHIB's liquidity. By visiting a special website created just for this purpose, anybody may play with this early public beta of Shibarium. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.